Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Nugget core files are accessible and the mod loader is active. You copy the original Nugget folder to a safe backup location. This preserves defaults if you need to revert. Once done, place the tweak package into the mod directory and enable it in the loader list, making sure dependencies show green. Make sure to record the exact file names and version numbers so updates won't break compatibility later. Next, open the tweak config and adjust the key parameters, spawn rate, health multipliers, and loot percentages, so they match your desired balance. After saving, run the installer script as administrator to write changes safely into game assets. Once applied, launch a short debug session and watch the console output. Review log lines for misapplied keys or missing assets, and correct any JSON typos. If you need to iterate, tweak one. To finish, perform a full playtest under normal conditions for about 15 to 20 minutes to observe stability and balance. If you encounter crashes or odd behavior, immediately revert to the backup, then reapply changes one at a time to identify the culprit. Make sure to document the final working settings and save a small restore script so rollback is quick. Key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, check for version mismatches between the tweak and core files. That's the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.